Guys, welcome back to math test. Today we have this problem. In order to solve this problem, we must keep in mind the identity a m into n is equal to a power m n. And now we use this identity on our right hand side. We get x power x power 3 upon 2 is equal to x power 3 upon 2x. And from other identity, on left hand side the base is x, on right hand side the base is x. We can compare the power, means that x power 3 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2x. Thus we have x power 3 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2x. Okay, now on the next step we have divide on both sides by x. We get x power 3 upon 2x is equal to 3 upon 2x into x. Okay, now we just cancel out this x by this x, and the remaining part is x power 3 upon 2 into x power minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 2. Now here the base is same, we must add the power. So x power 3 upon 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, on next step x power 3 minus 2 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. On next step we have x power 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, on squaring both sides we get x power 2 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2 square. Okay, on next step we get x is equal to 9 upon 4. Thus we get the value of x. If you are new here, you can subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.